So, you know how we often find ourselves in awe of the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence? It's like every other day there's a new breakthrough that just shifts our understanding of what AI can do. Today, I'm super excited to dive into something that's been buzzing in the AI community. It's called CLIN, and it's kind of a big deal in the world of continual learning. With CLIN, we're venturing into a realm where AI doesn't just learn from a ton of data thrown its way, but evolves through interactions, just like we do. It's like taking a leap from having a static picture to a movie that's constantly playing and adapting. Now, I guess you're as intrigued as I am, so let's peel back the layers and see what makes CLIN a standout star in the AI galaxy. Oh, and before we delve deeper, do me a solid and hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated on all things AI. Go on, do it. I know you want to. Easy, just clickety-click and it's done. Come on. Your support means the world. So at its core, CLIN, which stands for Continuous Learning from Interactions, is the super cool system designed to help language agents get better at what they do through repeated experiences. Now, when I say language agents, I mean those nifty computer programs that communicate with the outside world in a way we can understand through text or speech. They're like the friendly neighborhood chatbot you might have a convo with, a video game character following your lead, or even a tool that splits our computer code based on your requests. Now, why is CLIN such a big deal, you ask? Well, the essence of it is that it helps these language agents to adapt to our crazy, ever-changing world without needing a babysitter to constantly retrain them. Imagine having a personal assistant that learns from your feedback to better assist you. A game character that evolves based on your playstyle, or a code generator that becomes more efficient through your corrections. Sounds pretty futuristic, right? But that's what CLIN is bringing to the table. And the beauty of it? It does all this thanks to its pure zero-shot setup, learning from interactions and feedback without needing extra adjustments. It's like CLIN has this inherent knack for learning and adapting. Now, the concept of AI continually learning and adapting isn't just for kicks. It's about tackling real-world complexities head-on. You see, our world is anything but static. It's this ever-evolving, wildly unpredictable playground. And to have AI systems that can roll with the punches, so to speak, is kind of game-changing. The goal with CLIN is to have language agents that can navigate this unpredictable playground without constantly running back to their human overlords for a retraining session every time something new pops up. It's like instead of having a student who always needs a tutor, we have one that learns, adapts, and even thrives in new scenarios, all on its own. And the idea is not just to make these agents more independent, but to have them improve and get better over time through each interaction they have. It's about building a foundation where they not only understand the task at hand, but become adept at tackling new challenges, even those they haven't encountered before. So, in essence, CLIN is here to bridge the gap between static learning and dynamic adaptation, making AI not just smart, but wise. And I think that's a narrative that's not only compelling, but holds a promise for a future where AI and humans can interact in a more intuitive and meaningful way. So, getting into the mechanics, CLIN's performance was put to the test in a virtual environment called ScienceWorld. This isn't just any virtual playground, it's a meticulously designed space where CLIN interacts with objects to complete science-related tasks. The tasks are divided into two categories, short and long. Short tasks are simple and straightforward, like boiling water or measuring mass. Long tasks, on the other hand, are complex and multi-step, such as growing a plant or making ice cream. Now, the technical brilliance of CLIN shines through in its ability to learn and adapt in these dynamic scenarios. In a specific environment, it learns from its experiences, becoming more efficient over time. For instance, learning to boil water, It understands the steps and refines its approach, like adjusting the stove's heat and monitoring the boiling process. CLIN can transfer its learning skill to new environments or tasks without extra training. But here's where it gets really interesting. CLIN has a knack for handling situations that require both adaptation and generalization. This capability to tackle tasks it hasn't encountered before, known as zero-shot performance, truly sets CLIN apart in the AI realm. It's not just about mastering one task. It's about using the learned principles to navigate through a spectrum of tasks, even those it's facing for the very first time. This ability to adapt and generalize is what makes CLIN a groundbreaking model in continual learning. So diving deeper, one of the things that really sets CLIN apart is its dual memory system. It operates with two distinct memory frameworks, global and local memory. The global memory is like the long-term storage, holding what's called causal abstractions from past experiences. These are essentially explanations of how certain actions lead to particular results. For instance, understanding that boiling water needs to heat or that plants grow with water and sunlight. These types of causal abstractions get stored in the global memory. This memory keeps updating with new, relevant information from each experience, making CLIN more knowledgeable over time. Now, on the flip side, we have local memory, which is more about the here and now. It's short-term and focused on the specific task at hand. It records feedback from the current activity, giving CLIN insights into how it's performing or what's happening in its immediate environment. So if CLIN is trying to boil water, feedback like "the water is boiling" gets stored here. Or if it's caring for a plant, it notes that the plant is wilting. This local memory is reset and updated with fresh feedback for every new task, keeping CLIN in tune with the immediate scenario. Before tackling a task, CLIN consults its global memory to pull out helpful causal abstractions. Like if it's faced with boiling water in a desert, it recalls from global memory that the heat is needed for boiling water, guiding its strategy. During the task, CLIN also checks its local memory, adjusting its actions based on real-time feedback. This dual memory system is what propels CLIN's ability to adapt its learning to a variety of tasks and environments, embodying the essence of a continual learning language agent. It's not just about abstract learning, but incorporating immediate, practical feedback to navigate through the task at hand. Now, comparing CLIN's learning to ours unveils some stark contrasts. We humans learn from experiences, enriched by emotions, thoughts, and social interactions. This gives our learning a depth, making it nuanced yet unpredictable at times. CLIN, on the other hand, learns through algorithms. It's about efficiency and managing a ton of information, but it lacks the emotional understanding and ethical discernment we possess. Our adaptability in learning approaches isn't something found in CLIN's algorithm-based process. These differences highlight the unique value of human intelligence, showing that while CLIN excels in data processing and technical task adaptation, the human ability to understand emotions and make ethical decisions stands unmatched. So we've unraveled the marvel that is CLIN, diving into its mechanics, its ability to continually learn from interactions, and how it stands in comparison to human learning. It's this beacon of innovation in the AI realm, pushing the boundaries of what language agents can achieve. The journey of CLIN underscores the endless possibilities that lie ahead in the AI domain, reminding us that we're just scratching the surface. Now, I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Comment the word innovate below if you're as excited as I am about the future of AI with systems like CLIN leading the charge. And hey, if you found this dive into CLIN intriguing, go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe for more AI explorations, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any new content. Oh, and before you go, check out this video on screen exploring another groundbreaking AI model. It's a journey you don't want to miss.